Welcome to this course, Introduction to Excel Power Query. Now, Microsoft has actually created this Power Query course to enable users of data to extract information, to load such information into the Power Query interface and transform them, clean them, and move them back into Microsoft Excel for our data analytical work. Now, Power Query is actually very powerful for data mining. In this course, I'm going to take you through the foundation Power Query program, how to move data from various sources. But Power Query has the ability to transform data, extract from a lot of sources, up to 99 different sources of data, into the Power Query editor for data mining and extraction. So we'll be looking at that. How can get data from Excel, data from the internet, data from URL, data from SQL servers, and a lot of other sources. And we're going to see how we can work with those data to make our job easy, automate our report in Excel. Thank you very much as you take this course along with Tabs and Icon Consulting.